Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the page is live and public. This avoids missing elements. Next, open the structured data markup helper and paste the exact URL or upload the page HTML so you tag the real content. Choose the most specific data type because that directs available properties and improves extraction accuracy. Once done, scan the page visually to identify titles, images, dates, prices, and descriptions. Those are the fields you will map first. Now you tag each element. Highlight a title and choose the title property, highlight an image and choose image, and so on. This creates accurate bindings between page content and schema fields. Once you map core fields, add repeated items like multiple offers or list entries by tagging each instance so the tool emits arrays. Make sure to inspect nested properties in the preview. Expand them to confirm dates, price, currency, and availability are present and correctly formatted before export. Finish by exporting the JSON LD and inserting it into the page head or your CMS template. Avoid inline microdata unless you plan that approach. After deployment, validate the markup with the rich results test or structured data testing tool. If errors appear, revert to the exported preview and correct missing or mistyped fields. If issues persist, a common troubleshooting tip is to check for dynamic content loading. Make sure the final HTML contains the markup at crawl time, not only via client-side scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.